Okay, this is work area 4, shipping operations, week 1, introduction to shipping. This week we're going to create a delivery note, and we're also going to create a shipment this week. To start by creating a delivery note, you're going to want to go into ERPNext, and you're going to want to navigate to the delivery note area by going into the awesome bar, go into delivery note list, go to add delivery note. Choose the customer you've been working with, and then go ahead and you can get the items from the sales order as well. I can select the sales order and say get items. It will fill those in. There they are. There's the t-shirt I've been working with as the sample. I hit save, and it wants to know the total weight. At this point, it gave me an error. It won't let me save without the asterisk item. You need to have a total weight. Go ahead and weigh your box and put that weight in there. I'm going to go and just put a sample weight in of 2 pounds and click save. I'm going to submit this document, and now that document has been submitted. So that is the delivery note creation process. You can see I'm done with that. Delivery note is finished. I've saved it. You can now go and actually create a shipment, the next step, directly from the delivery note by going to create shipment, get in. I can see the shipment information here. So now that I'm in the shipment, I'm going to go ahead and fill out the required information that's identified with an asterisk here by adding the contact information connected to the customer. That will be need to put in the customer setting. So it gives you an error. That's where you go in to add the customer contact information. You go to the customer and up in the address bar, and then you add a contact there. Then you're going to go ahead and you're going to add the length, width, and height of your box. I'm making up numbers here, but go ahead and measure that information. And I'm going to put 5 pounds, count 1. All right, moving down, description of content. That information is required. I put a description as routes edu items. And down here is where you would add the carrier information number. We talked about different carriers in the LMS throughout the week. You could either add, at this time, you could just go ahead and make or add a carrier of your choice, UPS, or USPS. I'm going to go with UPS ground. And their tracking numbers are 18 digits long. So go ahead and just put in some random numbers and letters to equal out to 18 digits. And this delivery would be in progress here. The pickup date is also required. It has to be after the date of order. So it'll be the date it's going to be shipped or the date it's going to be picked up and pretend to be picked up there in class. Once you have all that figured out, you click save and submit. Permanently submit the shipment, and now the shipment has been issued. So now the shipment is done, and this is where you would go ahead and print your shipment label. Your instructor will help you with printing this into the label printer and getting a shipment to actually print out for you. But for right now, that was how you create a shipment. Next week, we go ahead and we deal with invoices, payments, and returns.